You know, I don't.
This is so classic. It's amazing closets even. Here's the bathroom, bedroom, great classic big windows, built-in living room with the built-in, this back room, trash kitchen and the laundry room which just leaked downstairs. And a back room and the back stairway needs to be replaced. And then the downstairs is not quite as lovely, but it's pretty awesome.